You can.
Select Elliot.
Uh,
Welcome to the big race. Answer the questions correctly to win. 3, 2, 1, go! Select the correct time. Oops, this is not the correct answer. The correct answer was 11:45. Kelly's in
By the way, just a
first.
fun fact for those who are watching.
Select
Chef
the
Vicky
correct
is wearing
time.
a brand new suit that was made especially for
That's
today,
not it.
looking sharp and dapper.
The correct answer was 2:45.
We hope to see you with the finals.
Answer correctly to move forward.
And we'll
What
be with you
time
there,
is it?
hopefully bringing Masters of Sri Lanka to Mumbai.
That's not it. The correct answer was 1:45. Kelly's in first. What time is it? This is not the right answer. The correct answer was 2:00. Answer correctly to move forward. Select the correct time. Not that one. The correct answer was 1:00. Kelly's in first.
competition making contestant and she's 63 years old, but she's very passionate about cooking. Role model.
What a race! Congratulations to all the participants. See you soon.